Okay, so this is the after. This is coming in the front door now. It's wide open. You can, as soon as you come in the front door, you can see into the kitchen. That's the stairway and the upstairs banisters. Big hole in the ceiling, basically. It's all wide open. Yeah. Behind us is the living room, the same place as it was before. And here's that view. It's not a very nice view today because it's very overcast. Normally you can see all along there. Anyway, so there's the living room, fireplace still being done. And this is the dining room. Notice all the windows, tons of light coming in. And this is the kitchen. That's the island. And these are the new cabinets, cooktop, wine fridge, microwave, double oven, and this is the coffee service mentioned in the before video. And it's the laundry room, updated laundry room, and updated powder room. We took out the shower, just left the toilet and the sink. Yeah. And that's downstairs. And let's go on upstairs. Let's go see the flop. Here we go, the first landing. Hey, who's that? That is Lark in the office. Used to be the kitchen. This is the deck, access to the deck, and this is the flop room. We just flop there and watch TV. If we have guests where we all can gather. Hi, Mom. Giving a tour. This is the guest bathroom. Double vanity. Let's see. Towel warmer. Tub and shower still. Put in some porcelain tile. Surrounded the tub and matching on the floor. Okie dokie. This is the guest ensuite. Also still being worked on. This is the bathroom. It's gonna look pretty cool when we're done, but we're not done. Subway tile, and then this carries on through. This is a cool mirror here, and this carries on through the shower, the wainscoting. That's the shower now. That's the shower floor. We've got this floor covered up, but it's the same as the shower floor. Pedestal sink. Okay, then they've got the guest ensuite's got a walk-in closet like it did before. I should probably mention the hardwood floors. They're hickory throughout the house. I haven't had a chance to put any rugs in yet. This is the third bedroom. Guest bedroom, I should say. And now, it's the linen closet. Now we go into our bedroom. And there is the door, and there is the door that we talked about in the before video. And we're just gonna go take a look at this view one more time. I wish it was a nicer day. We could see those mountains. The Georgia Strait in the foreground and the mountains in the background, just beautiful. And this is the primary bathroom, soaker tub, and shower, and double vanity, toilet. This is the walk-in closet. We took out the window and we put in a skylight so we could have some natural light in here. Took out the window so that we could put cabinets in there. Anyway, that's it. That is it. So, there you go. Here's these banisters and balusters we kept talking about. You can see downstairs. See downstairs, you can see the front door. You can see the living room, fireplace down there. Dining room across. I don't think you can see the dining room, but there's the kitchen. Oh, go down here. There's a kitchen. And that's the tour. That's the after.